Thiko imwe tu thutha wa ciama 24 gwikiranira ngirimiti ya kuumba ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja, riu ngwataniro ino ironekana gukorwo iri kigeri-ini kiigi ni maundu mariku maiguaniirwo ni ciama ici.
What was signed on Saturday was an agreement to form the Azimio coalition party.
Kiangalia Jumamosi, secretary generals wa vyama individually ndio walikuwa natia mkataba sahihi.
No kuringana na mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, uria ukwaragia na ceceni imwe guku bururi-ini, augite ati mutaratara wa gwikiranira ngirimiti-ini wahikirwo na uguo kuri na uhotekeku munene ati ona andiki akarua ciama ici matiamenyire ni maundu mariku mari thiini wa ngirimiti ino.
We are very pleased that Mr. Musyoka signed onto the document as the party leader of Wiper. He is an important Kenyan. He is a tried and tested political leader, and we are very happy for him to join us. We do not foresee any issues with this coming on board. In fact, we welcome him very much.
Igongona riri ria gwikiranira ngirimiti ya Azimio riatabanirio muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ciama iria ciri rungu rwa One Kenya Alliance gwikiranira ngirimiti ya uiguano wa uria makurutithania wira, na umwe wa maria meyumiritie thutha uyu ni kana ngwataniro ino ni abatie gucenjio ritwa na itwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance, na kuringana na riboti iria ikunyeirwo Kameme TV ni ati gucenjio kwa ritwa ni umwe wa maria mari ngirimiti-ini ino.
Tuliweka mkataba as a coalition, lakini leo tumefanya a bigger coalition, a grand coalition kwa jina Azimio One Kenya.
Kwagwo kwa amwe a atongoria a One Kenya Alliance hindi ya mucemanio wa Azimio hamwe na wari ni mutongoria wa NAK Kenya Mathakarwa na mutongoria wa Farmers Party Irungu Nyakera, na kuona gwatuthurire ciuria nyingi cia kana kuri na ithenya ririho, na Nyakera uria uri thiini wa One Kenya Alliance augite maratathi maria mabatie gwikiranirwo ngirimiti-ini ciama ciothe matianeanitwo, na uguo we na kiama giake makiamba kweherera mubango cio nginya mabe maheo maratathi macio.
Katika sheria ya uchaguzi ama ya vyama vya kisiasa, chama haiwezi kuwa kwa coalition mbili.
So, whether it was Wiper, whether it was KANU, whether it was ODM, they all signed onto that agreement as individual political parties.
Na kana ndereti ya Kalonzo gutuika munini wa Raila ni undu ungi waiguaniirwo, ni ndereti ingi irehete urugari muingi, na Kalonzo augite ati ndereti ya no gatuika munini wa muhuraniri wa Raila ndiaririirio no ni umwe wa maria makwaririo na kinyi ica ikuhi.
The question of either running mate or other positions, those are issues that will be left to our presidential candidate and to other coalition partners.
Mitaratara ya ni ati ithurano cia ngurani cigatabanio rungu rwa ngwataniro ino ario undu ungi uronekana gukorwo ukuire mburitatha.
Currently we are discussing nomination rules, but what I've told you just here, that is an outline of how those rules will look like. There will be areas where, for example, there will be consensus.
The collating of those nomination rules to be the Azimio la Umoja coalition rules ni kitu ambayo inaendelea na itamalizika kwa haraka.
Ihinda riri ndurumeni ciguthii na mbere na kumurikithio ngwataniro ino kuona kana ni gwitiria ihuhukanio cia kiuteti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.